So yeah, back in the 1940s, half the planet decided to settle its beef with tanks. And today, those same countries are allies, rivals, or still arguing on Twitter. Sorry, X. But here's the weird part. Some nations won the war and lost the future. Others lost the war and speed ran the comeback. Let's compare World War II, then versus now. And trust me, this gets uncomfortable fast. (1945) Europe is rubble. Asia is on fire. Empires are collapsing like badly built Lego sets. Cities flattened. Economies in ICU. Colonies everywhere. World War II didn't just end a war. It rewired global power. And the countries coming out of this war were about to take very different paths. Let's start with the country that basically said, we're running this now. The United States, back then, tried to stay out of the war. Then Pearl Harbor happened. And the U.S. entered the chat. With factories, nukes, and unleashed the beast. 1945. U.S. was industrial monster. Untouched homeland. Selling weapons to everyone like cash or card. America exits World War II as the world's bank. Factory. And military boss. Today, still rich, still powerful, still dominant. But internally, yeah, it's complicated. From war hero to global police to why is this trending? And somehow every conflict since then became America's problem. And this country went from, we own the map, to please hold while we redefine our identity. The United Kingdom, 1945. Technically on the winning side. Emotionally, financially, spiritually, exhausted. Britain didn't lose World War II. It just canceled its free trial of empire. The sun finally set on the British Empire because Britain couldn't afford the electricity. UK today, still influential. Mostly just trying to figure out what its global role actually is. But the next country, they went from total destruction to economic wizardry. Germany in 1939 wasn't playing chess. It was speedrunning Risk. 1945, defeated, divided, cities erased. No army, no pride, no trust. Modern Germany saw World War II and said, "Yeah, we're never doing that again." Now, it's Europe's economic engine. Manufacturing king. And somehow, everyone listens to them. Just casually running the entire EU economy. Lost the war, won the spreadsheet. Germany didn't bounce back by force. They rebuilt with discipline, industry, and rules. But not every defeated nation got a comeback arc like this. Japan attacked Pearl Harbor and unlocked America's final boss mode. (1945) Bombed, occupied, broken. Completely demilitarized. No empire, no war machine. Japan today. Tech giant. Cultural superpower. Anime, cars, robotics, convenience stores that sell better food than your restaurant. Japan reinvented itself from empire to innovation. They traded conquest for creativity. Some nations rose, others never really escaped 1945. The Soviet Union, 1945. Lost millions. Won the war. Walked into Berlin like, "We paid for this." They emerge as a superpower, but built on fear, control, and exhaustion. World War II gave the USSR victory, but also locked the region into decades of tension. And then the USSR disappears. Russia today, still powerful, still armed, still haunted by its past. Same map energy, different century. Victory doesn't always mean peace. And now, the countries that didn't even get to choose sides. During World War II, huge parts of the world weren't even countries. They were colonies. Millions fought wars for empires, then came home to ask, so, are we free now? Then colonized. Now independent. Still fixing borders drawn by dudes who'd never been there. So who actually won World War II long term? World War II didn't reward bravery. It rewarded positioning. The real winners? Countries that rebuilt fast, adapted, and avoided revenge cycles. The losers? Those trapped in old grudges, old borders, old systems. The war ended in 1945, but the consequences are still playing out. And here's the scary part. The world today, its alliances, conflicts, and power struggles are still shaped by decisions made during World War II. So the real question isn't who won World War II, it's who's still living in it. If you want part 2, countries that completely flipped sides after World War II, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe.